Momentum is hard to build and incredibly easy to lose. Every agent who has ever had a great month knows exactly what I'm talking about. The calls are flowing, the appointments are setting, the energy is high, and everything feels like it's clicking. You wake up motivated. You prospect without hesitation. You walk into listing appointments with full confidence. And then you take your foot off the gas. Just for a few days, maybe a week. And just like that, it's gone. The pipeline starts to thin out. The calls feel harder. The energy drops. The motivation has to be manufactured instead of just showing up naturally. And now you're grinding your way back to where you were. A process that takes 3 times as long as it took to lose momentum in the first place. This is one of the most expensive mistakes agents make, and they make it over and over again. Here's the reality. Momentum is not something that just happens to you. It's something you create through daily, consistent, intentional action. It's built contact by contact, follow-up by follow-up, appointment by appointment. And the moment you stop feeding it, it starts to dry. The market doesn't give you momentum. Your morning routine doesn't give you momentum. Watching training videos doesn't give you momentum. Talking to buyers and sellers every single day, that gives you momentum. Once you have it, protect it like it's your most valuable thing in your business, because it is. Don't take a week off from prospecting and expect to pick up where you left off. Don't let a bad day turn into a bad week. Don't let one slow month convince you to ease up when easing up is exactly the wrong move. Stay on the court, keep making the calls, do the work, especially on the days you don't feel like it. Those are the days that separate the agents who maintain momentum from the ones who are always trying to get it back.